Guys, we're back. Okay, last time we did a little bit of a tour here. We showed you the framing of the main floor. We still didn't even have a ceiling, and now we got a ceiling. Okay, we got a ceiling over our main floor, so it actually kind of feels like a house a little bit. You're a little more contained. And we also have stairs. They are temporary stairs, but they can take us upstairs to our second floor.
All right, everybody. We got some walls going up today on the second floor. Literally picking up a wall right now. How cool is that? So they actually build the walls on the ground and then they lift them up into place and nail them in. Our second floor walls in about the next 10 minutes are all gonna be up. Pretty awesome. Here we go, next wall. Ooh, baby. Don't drop it. There it is. There it is. Heading over to the house. We got a second floor here, people. This is good stuff. We're actually gonna take you upstairs right now and go and show you. They're working on the partition walls right now, so we're gonna show you some good stuff. All right, guys, so we are upstairs, finally on the second floor, ready to show you some walls. It's pretty exciting. So I'm gonna flip this puppy around. And now we got some walls. So here's our landing right here, and then a little void, which is where our stairs are gonna be. That's my shadow. And now essentially we're standing at the top of the stairs. So the top of the stairs, if we go right, we have the entry into our first bedroom right here. Got some nice windows laid out. Right across here, we can walk through walls today. So right across here, this is going to be Anna's office. So pretty excited about that. Huge window inside, so it's going to be a really nice bright space. So it's really interesting, you know, when you're on site, you really have to think through so many things. So I'm going to show you right here, if you sort of look down a little bit. So right here is the entry, here to here. So that's the entry to the laundry room. So we actually really had to dissect this morning where we wanted that door to be. We ended up moving it about 4 inches to the right. Because right now to the right, we have a little closet, and then to the left, we're gonna have our washer dryer sort of right in that section. So with this way, if we shift it a little bit to the right, it's just gonna be a better view from the hallway, a little more straight on for the door, and then also it'll be a little more in line with the window here and more centered on the space. So, you know, a lot of small things that you really have to, you know, stay on top of while you're on site.
So follow me upstairs, and as we go up, I will walk you through some of the changes that we've made in this house compared to our first house. So where we're standing right now, it'll be one of the kids' bedrooms. We've made it slightly smaller, still very generous size for a kid. We got a closet right here, a walk-in closet. We gave each bedroom its own ensuite. So we're gonna have a bath right here, a toilet, and then we're gonna have a nice size vanity here. So what we did here is we created these like 3 separate windows, which from the outside will actually look like one single unit, so that could look really unified and great from the outside, and it just really contributes to the front facade. But what we did here by separating it into 3s, we kind of cheated a little bit. We have a wall separating here. This window belongs to the ensuite so that there's a lot of natural light, and have these 2 windows in the main bedroom. Lots of windows and lots of sunlight, and really just looks grand and big from the outside. So in case you were wondering why we made the bedroom a little smaller and the ensuite and closet a little bit smaller in the 2 bedrooms, it's because by taking a little bit and shaving just a tad off the top from those 2, we were able to have one big win, which is this whole new space, newly created for this house, does not exist in the previous house. Basically, I scored my own office. That's right. This space is gonna be all mine, baby. Really really good space. Lots of room here for a nice little desk, a beautiful chair, and I don't know, whatever else I'll come up with.
So now that we're in our foyer for our master, this basically takes us to 3 separate places. So there's an entry here to our master bedroom. There's going to be an entry right here into our master bath. And then there's going to be an entry over here into Anna Banana's closet. So let me first take you into our bedroom. So the room here ultimately is not going to be all that different from what we have in our current house. We still are going to have the 2 doors that will open to the backyard, so you get a nice little view. And my closet, not going to be quite as big as the boss's closet over there, but it's still an improvement from what I currently have. And now let's take you over to the master bath. So we've got our entry to our master bathroom right here. Basically, as you walk in, the view that you're going to have is going to be of our shower, which is awesome, if I must say so myself. So right over here is basically going to be our master tub, sandwiched right in between the master shower, and over here is going to be our toilet area, basically right here, and then there'll be a frosted glass wall coming over here. So that's really this side of the bathroom. In this house, we're able to actually get a 13-foot vanity, which is unbelievable. So we're able to really get a lot of space here.
Hi again. This is gonna be another one of those spaces that's all mine, okay?
Yeah.
This is gonna be my closet. It's a huge, massive closet. Really, it's like the size of another bedroom, so I'm very lucky to be having this closet. So I'm gonna have some really nice drawers and a mirror and lots of hanging space and a shoe rack.
Whoa, hold on, show me where that is.
It's gonna be right here, baby. Can you envision it?
So many shoes. So many shoes, it's terrifying.
You know, lots of different shelving for some display, for some purses, some pictures, I don't know, whatever else I feel like putting in my closet. So we'll figure it out. I've got time to figure it out. I've got time to design it, but I'm super happy with the space. You know, some of these little tweaks that we made upstairs to the main floor really turned out into a more optimized layout. So thanks for watching, guys. Please be sure to subscribe to our channel to keep following on our journey as we build our second dream home. In our next episode, we're gonna walk you through the roofing process and how this house really comes to life. Just make sure to drop us a comment or leave us a like if you enjoyed this video. Thanks, bye guys.